Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to discuss about compound interest. Suppose a bank pays a fixed interest of 10% on money in deposit accounts. A man puts $500 in the bank. After 1 year, he has 500 plus 10% of 500. So if I write it like 500 plus 10% means 0.01 multiply 500. If we multiply and add, we get definitely this one. Or if we take common 500 here, it will be 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. 1 plus 0.1, not 1.01. So 1.0.1. So it will be 500 multiply 1.1. After 1 year, end of the 1 year, the person will get 500 multiply $1.1. So after 2 years, he will, what he get? So this 500, this, if we multiply these things, we will get 550. So 550 plus 10% of 550, it will be 605. Or if we write 500 multiply 1.1 plus 10% of 500 multiply 1.1. So what we get here? This is 500 multiply 1.1 plus 10% means 0.1 multiply 500 multiply 1.1. So if we take common this 500 multiply 1.1, what we get here? So 500 multiply 1.1, 1 plus 0.1. So at the end of second year, we'll get 500 multiply 1.1 square. So in this way, if we proceed, after end of the 3 years, we will get 500 multiply 1.1 to the power 3. So in general, after n years, the money in the bank will be, this 500 is the principal, multiply 1.10 to the power n. So formula for compound interest equals to A equals to P 1 plus r square, r% to the power n. Here P is principal, r is rate of interest per year, and n is the number of time. If it is year, so it will be year, right? So we have to use this formula. Now, try to understand this example. The compound interest formula is value of investment P bracket 1 plus r% means r by 100 to the power n, where P is the amount invested, R is the percentage rate of interest, and N is the number of years compound interest. N is the number of years of compound interest. So use the compound interest formula to calculate the amount of money in an account after 5 years if the initial sum invested is 2,000 at 5% compound interest. So 2,000 multiply 1.05 to the power 5. So this means this one. So if we do this math, we can write in this way, like 2,000. Here 1 plus r%. What is the 5%? So n, the number of time is what? 5 years. N equals to here 5. So it will be 2,000 multiply, okay, bracket 1 plus 5% means 0.05 to the power 5. So it will be 2,000 multiply 1.05 to the power 5. So finally we get here $2,552.56. Now we try to solve this maths, exercise 26. Now question number 1. Number 1, a bank pays interest of 9% on money in deposit accounts. Kremi puts $2,000 in the bank. So this is the principal, this is the rate of interest. How much has she after 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years? So solution, we can write the formula. So formula for amount or after interest, compounded interest. So C equals to P 1 plus R% to the power N. For number A, what is R here? R equals to here 9%. So here P equals to here $2,000. And N, for A it is 1 year. N equals to 1 year. Compounded yearly, 1 year. So amount or C, whatever we can write, amount or C, we can write P. P is here 2,000. 1 plus R% is 9%, N is 1. So if we press the calculator, we will get here $2,180. The first one is $2,180. Number B, here everything is same. R equals to 9%, P equals to 2,000 here, and N equals to here 2 years. So amount equals to 2,000, 1 plus 9%. Instead of N, we can write here 2. So we'll get here $2,376.2. Number C, everything is like the previous one. Here N equals to only 3 years. So amount equals to 2,000, 1 plus 9% power 3. So it will be $2,590.06. So question number 1 completed. Question number 2. A bank pays interest of 11%. Mamru puts $500 in the bank. How much has he after A, 1 year, number B, 3 years, number C, 5 years? So formula for amount by using compound interest formula, A equals to P 1 plus R square, R% to the power N. Here for A number maths, principal is what? $5,000. Rate of interest per year, it is 11%. And for A, N equals to 1 year. So we'll get amount equals to 5,000, 1 plus 11% to the power N. So it will be 5,000, 1 plus 0.11 to the power N. N is here 1. So 5,000 multiply 1.11 to the power 1. If we press calculator, we will get 5,550. Number B, where N equals to 3 years, 3. So amount equals to 5,000, 1 plus 11% means 0.11 to the power 3. So it will be 5,000 multiply 1.11 to the power 3. So we'll get here $6,838.16. Number C, here N equals to 5. So amount equals to 5,000. 1 plus 11% means 0.11 to the power 5. So finally 5,000 multiply 1.11 to the power 5. So it will be $8,425.3. So this is question number 2. It is completed. A student gets a grant of $10,000 a year, assuming her grant is increased by 7% each year. Assuming her grant is increased by 7% each year, what will her grant in a 4 years time? So compound interest formula, amount equals to P 1 plus R percent to the power N. For this maths, here principal is $10,000. Here R equals to 7%. And N, that means it will grant in 4 years time. That means N equals to 4 here. So amount equals to, this is 10,000, 1 plus 7% to the power 4. So 10,000, 1 plus 0.07 to the power 4. So it will be 10,000 multiply 1.07 to the power 4. So finally we'll get 13,107. So question number 3 completed. The rental price of data was $9,000. At the end of each month, the price is increased by 6%. One thing is very important here. Here, the rate of interest is counted each month, per month. So at the end of each month, the price is increased by 6%. Number A, find the price of the house after 1 month. Number B, find the price of the house after 3 months. Number C, find the price of the house after 10 months. So formula is amount equals to P 1 plus R percent. Here, rate of interest increased by per month. So to the power N. N is the number of times here. So for number A, P is here $9,000. R equals to here 6%. And N is 1 month. So amount equals to 9,000. 1 plus 6%. N is 1. So if we press calculator, we'll get here 9,540. Number A completed. Number B, here everything is like the previous maths. N equals to here 3 months, 3. Because price of the house after 3 months. So amount equals to 9,000, 1 plus 6% power 3. So it will be 10,719.10. And number C, N equals to 10 months here. So amount equals to 9,000, 1 plus 6% to the power 10. So final answer $16,117.60. So question number 5 is completed here. Number 6, assuming an average inflation rate of 8%, work out the probability cost of the following items in 10 years. Number A, motorbike, $6,500, iPod, $340, and car, $50,000. So amount equals to principal 1 plus R percent power n. For first maths, here principal equals to $6,500. Rate of inflation rate equals to 8%. So 10, n equals to 10 here. So amount equals to 6,500. 1 plus 8% power 10. So it will be 6,500 multiply 1.08 power 10. So finally we get here 14,033. $33. So first answer is $14,033. So number B, so it is principal is IPOT value is 340. The R equals to 8% and N equals to 10 years. So amount equals to principal, that means 6,340. 1 plus R% to the power 10. So final answer, it will be 734.03. Number C, car cost is $50,000. So amount equals to P 1 plus R% to the power N. So principal is here 50,000. 1 plus 8%, N is 10 here. So final answer will be 107,946.25. So $107,946.25. So I think everybody understood this maths. Here, which formula we used here, it is for MYP3 standard. Okay, so if you need to know more about compound interest, please let me inform. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.